Good day, peeps! Today, mag-unbox tayo and magre-review tayo ng Havit cooling pad. Check it out. Na-experience nyo na bang uminit na sobra-sobra yung laptop nyo because of high processing or yung computing power niya? And kung hindi properly ventilated yung laptop nyo, definitely magiging slow talaga yung performance ng computer or ng laptop ninyo. Basically, pag nag-overheat talaga yung CPU, yung processing niya bumabagal talaga. And ang laking tulong na magkaroon ng cooling fan. So that's why me as an IT recommending officer sa aming unit, nirecommend ko sa sarili ko itong cooling pad Havit from Amazon. So this is a 17-inch cooling pad at ito po yung naka-assign sa aking laptop from the office. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad T460. Grabe, sobrang init nito. Kasi laptop nasa laptop talaga siya. So sobrang init, napapaso na ako. So sobrang init niya, Lods. Mamaya i-test natin gamit ang thermometer, digital thermometer, kung gaano talaga kainit ito. So check muna natin temperature nito. As you can see, my office work from office home setup ko ay ganito. So running in a dual monitor at nakakabit siya dito sa laptop and napansin ko ito sobrang init, right? This one. So dito pa lang nararamdaman ko na yung init. So I've been running mapping like QGIS. Very intensive yan sa processing dahil it contains a lot of highly digitized maps, remote sense data. And nagra-run din ako ng GitHub, nagra-run din ako ng Stata. Lahat ng datasets ko malalaki. Hindi lang 100,000, millions of data crunching yung ginagawa namin. Napansin ko umiinit, humabagal performance, naiinis na ako. So this is actually a i7 8-core CPU, i7. Nafe-feel ko yung ventilation issue nito at bumabagal na. So try natin i-check gamit ang temperature checker to see gaano kainit itong CPU ko. Check na natin temperature, set natin to, lagyan na natin to low. Tapat natin sa mismong ventilation niya. Yan na, still rising. So yan yung ilalim mga lods, hindi pa lapat yan. So para yung airflow. But as you can see, everything nagra-rise siya. Time lapse natin para bumulis. Okay, nasa 41 na yung point ng init. Ayan, so 41.1 is the temperature, 41.2, tumataas pa, 46, 47, 41, ayan na. So sobrang high na niya at hindi na niya kinaya. Ganyan kainit yung laptop. So tingnan natin, buksan na natin ang Havit 17-inch cooling pad. If you're gonna check this item sa website nila, they call it Havit HAVIT. It will cost you around $43 or that's 2,100 pesos. No? If you check on Amazon, that's $36. So malaking tipid na rin, no? So kung may shipping na to the Philippines, we will add you additional $23. Two colors siya, blue and red, and stated here na 1,100 rounds per minute yung tatlong fan niya. And as for the device itself, ayan, no? So strong with cooling effect, metal mesh and large vents, 2 adjustable height up to 90 cm, and then 1 button to switch 15 modes. And non-slip design, ito na yung baffle na sinasabi ko. Ayun, nalagay lang sa unahan. So sa sobrang excitement, napunit ko na itong part na to. So You just open it here sa baba. Then, pull it out. Then, voila! Yan na kagad yung item nyo. What's in the box? Of course, user manual. May thumbs up, thumbs down. If you like the product, you can go to their website right here. Yung information nila. At of course, the cooling pad itself. Malaki siya. So, covered siya ng bubble wrap, which is good. At ayan na. Also comes with one USB head-to-head cable, no? Pareho lang siya. So let's take a look. There are two colors, blue and red. So I think yung kulay ng fan yon and the light inside it kasi yun yung pinili ko. And I think this is a touch pad right here. Check natin. Okay, so merong control here, control knob, maybe yun, switch, might be the switch, and two USB ports. Okay, meron din siyang adjustable knob here para mas ma-elevate yung laptop nyo. Two-way elevation pala siya, oh. So, yun, oh. So, you can make it higher if you like it more inclined. Okay. This is the cooling pad voltage, 5 volt, home and office use, HAVIT F2073. Okay, I'm gonna read. Hindi ko kasi alam kung para saan ito, pero I'm gonna read further the instruction. In every unboxing and review, kailangan kong basahin muna yung manual para matutunan ko mabuti yung item. Okay, so na-get ko na. Non-slip baffle pala ito. So, ibig sabihin ng non-slip baffle ito. So, this one, tatanggalin nyo. Then you can put it here sa front, rear, sa front. Para hindi dumulas yung laptop nyo. Mag-slide down. Construction nito ay metal, as you can hear. And yung frame is plastic. And I think this is where the LED lights will be. So, para matanggal stress nyo, may lighting siya, mga lods. And meron ding 4 rubber pads siya dito. 1, 2, 3, and 4 pads. And nakita ko na. So, this controls the power of the fan. So, pag in-on nyo, and if you push further, lalakas yung fan nyo. So, doon ko gusto makita yung performance ng fan kung gano'ng kalakas. Mas maganda pag itetest na natin ito. Saksak ko na muna, itetest natin kung mag-work. Definitely. So, I think either of the ports here gamitin natin. So, gamitin natin yung cable niya. Sinaksak ko lang dito. Then, saksak natin sa desktop ko muna. Medyo malayo sa desktop. So, try ko dito sa extension. Oh, umilaw na siya. So, look at that. Kita nyo ba? So, umiilaw na siya. So, there are 15 modes of the RGB. 1. So, that's 1. This is 2. So, medyo nag-i-slide siya. 3. Okay, 1 color fade. So, next color, fade in, fade out. And this is 4 mode. Twinkle, twinkle. 5, 6. Wow. Parang strict yung movement niya ng lighting niya. 7. Okay, 7. All brights up, fade. 8. Okay, singular color lang. Okay, this is 8. Red lang. Red lang siya, na steel. 9, blue. 10, green. 11, yellow. 12, light blue. 13, purple. 14, all white. 15, all freeze color siya. So, lahat ng kulay, makikita nyo dito. So, hanggang dito lang yung kulay niya, Lods. And then, 0 na. So, ayan yung 15 operating. So, very responsive naman itong touchpad niya. So, open nyo lang. Yun, umiikot na siya. So, yun pala yung color blue niya. Yung LED light niya on the 3 fans. So, pagka sinwitch ko pa, lumalakas pala siya. So, hindi ramdam, pero I can sense the speed. So, malamig na siya. So, again, off, on, So low, and then I'm gonna knob it further up to maximum level. So notice nyo yung rotation, yung rotor speed niya, mas bumibilis. You know, so lakas niya actually. Notice nyo yung pag-dim ng light, pag ina-adjust ko, lumataas din yung, so nagiging dimmer. So yun yung indicator na lumalakas yung fan nyo, and if lower, mas mahina yung ikot ng fan niya. And this is higher, to lower. If you notice, mas malakas pa yung fan ko kaysa sa tunog nitong fan. So, patayin natin. So, yung noise naman ang pakinggan natin kung malakas yung noise ng fan. So, I'm gonna put it onto full maximum load. So, narinig nyo na lang yung kwentuhan ni Missy sa likod. Pero actually, mahina siya. Okay, lagay na natin yung laptop. Ayan. So, fit naman siya. Very well fitted. 15-inch up to 17-inch. So, as you can see, parang sakto lang siya doon sa outer frame niya. Ang maganda dito, may extra slot pa siya. Anything na nilagay niyo dito, like webcam or other mouse devices, yung mga USB devices, you can also do it here. Pwede nyo ring charging area to, but take note, yung source of power nito would be coming from the laptop itself. To prove the cooling pad, let's try it in real life scenarios. I will do some processing on this laptop and see kung okay yung temperature. Kapitan natin. At kung ayaw nyo rin nakabukas yung ilaw dahil maliwanag, you can simply press up to 15. So yung 15 button will turn off the dead lights here. So para makatipid kayo. And then tingnan natin, we'll put up to 90 cm height level. So we'll put it as high. Okay, so moment of truth, we're gonna do some processing. This is the transmitter of the mouse. Lagyan natin sa likod. Oh, so you see, na-detect naman siya. So it means that it's working. Mag-start ako mag-crunch ng data. Gamit ito, mag-analyze ako using the laptop, and then let's see the temperature. So time-lapse lang tayo while I'm doing work. Let's see if okay na yung temperature and the performance. Napansin ko yung performance siya when having the cooling pad, bumilis talaga yung weather data nito. Actually, precipitation data yung kinukuha ko. So, lahat ito crunch ko from 2007 to 2016. So, that's almost 10 years of data that I'm crunching right now. And so far, mukha naman, ano niya yung performance niya. Namimit naman yung performance. So, I think the cooling pad works, but now let's check the temperature. Temperature is now low, L. Ito yung same placement as before. So, hinahanap ko yung heat. So, actually, there's no reading. Low. Ganyan ka-effective yung performance ng cooling pad na to. Maghanap ako. So, kahit sa mismong exhaust, so, ipasok ko na. Great! Mga office work from home scenario nyo, and if you are having issues with your laptop, highly recommended ko yung Havit cooling pad. Even di ako sponsored nito, but this is a great product, and I think I have another one which is a 15-inch. Ito yung isang model ng Havit ko, yung F2056, which is only 15-inch. So wala siyang LED light, but it's all frame to metal. So compare natin itong dalawang pad, 15-inch, 17-inch, and ayan po ang difference, no? Up to 15-inch, and this one behind it is up to 17-inch. But the fans are all the same size lang po sila, and you're still go for, if you have a 15-inch, then go for this one. But I would highly recommend 15 to 17-inch kasi kung mag-upgrade kayo ng laptop nyo, swak na kagad sa inyo itong 17-inch. Hope nakatulong ako sa inyo sa unboxing and the review of the Havit F2073 cooling pad. Kung marami pa akong reviews coming up, and see you again. God bless. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left
and on the lower right. Peace